Well, that was a huge win. It actually came out without having to remove this item, so very excited about that. And can I just say, I've actually never seen one of these come off so cleanly and beautifully. This is definitely like something only a mechanic would appreciate, but normally this would be completely covered in soot and half blocked with all the gunk that goes through a diesel engine, but this is pristine. Like, this gentleman takes exceptional care of his car. He pretty much lives out of it half the year. So this is actually really nice to see. I don't have to stick this in a bath for 3 hours just getting all the carbon stuff out. So I'm going to put this here with all the new bits. So we have all our new seals, gaskets and everything. And here is the brand new head that we'll be installing once we get everything out. It's very heavy. And I just want to let you know, we came across a surprisingly stupid problem. Just classic Ford things, really. So this, it's still in another packet. These are seals for the injectors, just to stop oil and other crap coming out of them, around them. And Ford have decided in their infinite wisdom that they are going to create two different sizes of seal and injector size. One of those sizes is 36 millimeters and the other one is 36.5 millimeters, and the wrong one absolutely will not fit, and there doesn't seem to be any benefit that I can think of for making a distinction. A half a mil difference, and that's a completely different kit and a completely different head will determine everything. So we actually had the wrong one sent out to us because of that reason. So for future reference, measure everything before you even start the job.